morning again. You have heard that Pharos has been the implementation of one of the flagships that the AI strategy in Greece has set up. And we are very proud that we were one of the first 7 AI factories approved at European level. And now in this short presentation, I will try to give you the idea of what we are planning, what we are trying to do with Pharos. I have also the honor to to coordinate Pharos and also being the chairman of the board of GRNet. And GRNet is the national infrastructure for research and technology and plays this role assisting the whole ecosystem of research and technology in Greece to boost and provide assist with infrastructures and resources for performing research and development. So let me try to connect the Pharos to what you have heard earlier about the AI Continent Action Plan. You see here that the AI Continent Action Plan includes various sectors in order within its implementation, and one of them is resources, data, talent, and how we provide this to the small business, to researchers, and trying to make Europe what is called would be called an AI continent. Here I would like to let you know an issue that we have in front. In Pharos and the other AI factories, we will try to implement what will be called data labs. That means in different sectors that are focused, that constitute the focus of the AI factories, there will be the aggregation of data in accordance with what happens in Europe in all these fields the last few years, and this will feed the development of new models within the capabilities that AI factories will provide the researchers and the business. So data labs is a word you will hear more frequently in the next year. Of course, all these are related to skills. You have already heard that it is our plan also in Pharos to assist education, research potential of the Greek citizens, both at the academia level, but also after that within the lifelong learning. And this is an issue that is also undertaken under attention and focused. It's a point of focus for the European Union as well. Now, probably you have heard in the former talks, AI factories are co-funded by the Euro HPC and joint undertaking. And what is the real issue and the real basis of all this? It is the supercomputing infrastructure that exists in Europe. Some of these supercomputers exist now or under improvement. Here you see what are the supercomputers existing in Europe. For example, you see the first supercomputer here, which is Jupiter. It is at the exascale capability. That means it's a more powerful supercomputer existing in Europe, being set up in Europe now. France are implementing the new exascale supercomputer, which will be Alice Lecoq, and Greece is also participating in this installment by a small percentage of co-funding. So here you see many the supercomputers that exist now, and in the 5th position you see also Daedalus, which Daedalus is a mid-range, which is petascale. That means there are some technical capabilities, how many computations can perform per moments per second, and then we have the 89 petascale and this is implemented and governed by GRNet in Greece. Daedalus is, probably you have also heard about that in the former talks, will be operating in Lavrion at the NTUA area park there, and it will operate. Sorry, it's expected to operate in April 2026. We are now in the process of installing the machine, but we also are renovating the building so that it will be really a very interesting, very nice place to visit, to show, and link this with our traditions. The Pharos AI Factory. It is an assembly of really both research and institutes and academia with a growth fund, so as to see how the whole Pharos will be helped to really still exist and operate in the future after its funding by the European Union. And it is we, GRNet, are the hosting entity, and we coordinate this project. We have affiliated partners, all the major research and institutes, academia in the country. So it is really an assembly of resources, infrastructures, research potential of Greece, and also linked to what, as you have heard earlier, the AI strategy already designed for the Greek AI implementation plan. Our vision, probably you have heard, it is something we would like to link the high-performance computing capabilities with the AI models based on data, and the talent that we want to attract, we wish to attract both in Greece and from the diaspora. We have three main areas of focus, which are healthcare. You have already heard that health is something that we all of us understand is a crucial issue for every country, and Greece as well. And Greece has the interesting characteristic that we have managed through IDICA to bring a lot of data related to every one of us, personalized data, to the IDICA files. And so this, as soon as it becomes capable of being shared anonymously and safely, this will be a huge, a very significant source of information for developing new models. Culture and language, they have already mentioned these, are characteristic of Greece. We need the culture and language to be sustainable through the years, so we plan to have an LLM for the Greek language based on Greek data. And of course, sustainability to predict climate changes, to use, as you will see, satellite data that Greece will take directly from the space and bring it to Daedalus to be analyzed and provided to, for example, to the ministry for, who is responsible for assisting people to avoid problems, risks with any climate change happens, any flare, whatever happens, and of course with energy consumption, the environment, and so on. So our vision is really to focus on three areas that are characteristic and will help Greece to move ahead, and of course will reach the people, because healthcare, the language and culture, and climate change, in fact, affect the lives of people in the future years. And so here it is, what are the factory key components? You can see it is the resources, the infrastructure on the one side. It is data on the second side, which has been already mentioned, that they are a challenge for really aggregating data from the public sector and also from the private sector. And of course, it is the human capital that we need to really attract and make it more, to get involved and produce new things, new ideas and models. And so here are how we plan to have Pharos interacting with all the environment, whether it is the companies, whether it is the researchers, whether the people who need to get understanding of what happens. And this is something we have planned. I don't want to get in details now, but this will happen in the next 2.5 years. Pharos started in April of this year, and in April of next year, we have the whole system operating with Daedalus and with data and first models. So it is there a challenge in less than 1 year from now, that means in summer 2026, to provide, to show the first real examples of how we boost the ecosystem. I think this is the main issues I would like to say. I have more details of how we will implement our involvement, our boosting of the healthcare sector, how we'll boost the culture and language. Probably some of you have seen we are in collaboration with the Parliament to get officially all the data that the Parliament owns all this year and use them within the language, the Greek LLM that we are creating, and with other organizations. And I have to say that really organizations that possess data, and whether it is for other Parliament or other organizations in the private sector, or hospitals and other sectors, are keen and are willing to assist in really boosting this ahead of us. I think sustainability, as I mentioned, is the third vertical we have, and based on that, I would like to stop this short introduction and let the discussions to come after in the panel. And I hope that I think the basic issue I would like to raise is that in 1 year from now, we are certain we will do our best to provide evidence that the boosting we have on our shoulders and have to present to the citizens and the business will be there. The first issues there. So thank you very much, and I hope everything will be in front of us.